Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process of how you can automatically save Instagram stories to the camera roll or on your gallery on your mobile device. Now for that, first of all, you open the Instagram application, tap open the Insta app. Once you have opened the Instagram application, you go to your story settings. So slide into your story camera. There you tap on the setting icon on the top left. Inside camera setting, you tap on the story option. Now inside story, you will be able to make changes to your story setting. Here scroll down and there you will see the option of saving. Inside saving, on the first option there is save story to gallery. With this, you will be automatically saving your stories to your phone gallery. You just need to tap on the toddler and it will get moved to the right side with changing in color to blue. This way it will get updated as a story setting and all the story on your Insta will get automatically saved to your phone gallery. Once you tap on toddler, you need to tap on the done option on the top right to save the setting as well. This is how you can automatically save Instagram stories to camera roll. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.